everybody doing today? You guys got a new product?
Yep.
Surfactant that works really good, huh?
Try that one out.
Right. Lemon fresh, right?
Lemon flavor.
Lemon flavor. Brad?
Where you from?
I'm from Long Island, New York, Amityville.
I couldn't have guessed.
I'm the Amityville horror man. Good morning, Don here from Super Blast. We got ourselves a unique job this morning. It's going to be a first for Super Blast. I got the sailboat behind me. It's very, very moldy. And do me a favor, leave some comments on the channel. It helps it a lot. And please subscribe. Hit that bell button so you get notified when I do some videos. So let's take a look at this boat. All right, it's very, very moldy, as you can see. Green mold all along there. The whole side's moldy. I mean, it's really bad. I haven't been up top yet, so I'm waiting for the owner to get here so we can go over this job. It's just moldy from top to bottom, but it's a sailboat, so it's got a lot of money involved. So I want to make sure he is aware. And I'm going to be using SH on this boat, which is a chlorine that you get from the pool supply, which is like 15% versus bleach 5%. So it's pretty strong stuff. But anyway, this boat really needs to go over. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and we'll be back with the results. Well, seeing as this is a sailboat, I really don't see much that's going to get hurt up here. It's dirty though. The only thing I do see is that gauge box over there. I'll have to cover that with some tape. It's got some plug-ins for, looks like maybe a battery charger. It's got an hour gauge on it. There's nothing really up here. Got this wooden door. Pretty much looks like a little bit of SH will take care of this, and we'll be on our way. Super Blast. Let's check this puppy out. Boy, that's a brand new looking boat right there. It's ready to hit the high, hungry seas. Mold be gone. That's it. That's a first for Super Blast pressure washing. High-end jobs. They're coming a lot easier nowadays. Super Blast pressure washing. Get her done right, give us a call. On here from Super Blast, I got a regular customer. David, what do you think about Super Blast pressure washing?
These guys are pros. They do a fantastic job. They're on time. They are the best, and I'm really grateful.
There you have it. Proof's in the pudding. Super Blast pressure washing. Thanks, Dave.
Thank you.